This is a tutorial for the song All I Have to Do Is Dream. And pretty simple. It's in the key of C, so the chords aren't very difficult and you don't have to worry about a lot of black keys either. So that's good, right? I'm going to show it to you first as a piano soloist. So the fingering for the right hand, you're going to start on your fifth finger on this E note here. And then you've got to lift your hand up for the next position to the fifth note on with your fifth finger on an A. And then when you go down here, you've got to move so you're moving that back and forth. Start with E there, and then it's A here. And move it down, same thing. Second finger there. And put your third finger there. That's the first part of the song. Then you're coming to the middle part here, and you're going to put your fifth finger on A again. This time you're going to put your fourth finger on A. That's so you can get up to this note. The rhythm on that is triplets. If you've never done that before, it divides a beat into 3 equal parts, and you got to watch out for that F sharp there. And you move your fourth finger down to the F again. Third finger right there. Fifth finger right there. Lift it up. And that's your fingering for the right hand. Not that hard. The chords will be in your left hand, and your first chord will be a C chord, and you got your fifth finger there. You got to go down to your A minor there, or you're going to be overlapping with your fingers. So you got A minor, A, C, E, like that, and then you got an F chord, C, F, A, G chord like that, D, G, and B, and then you do that again. Get your A minor down there like that, A, C, and E, and a C chord there. Now there we're just going to move our thumb up from G to A for the A minor chord. It's a real easy change, and we can do that because our melody's up here. Then an F chord, C, F, and A, and move it up to the G like that, D, G, B, C again, A minor, F, G, C again, F there, C, back to F like that. So a lot of your chords there are like this. Which is kind of nice, not a lot of moving around there. And in the middle part there, you've got an F chord again. And you've got an E minor chord here. E, G, and B. And just move your whole wrist down to D minor like that. And then G7 is D, F, G, B like that. Back to a C chord. And then we've got a C7 chord, which you're going to add on the third beat of the measure there. So you got to add that B flat note there. And back to an F chord. There's your E minor chord. Got a D7 chord, which is this D, F sharp, A, and C. And you gotta watch out for your F sharp there. And then a G7 chord, D, F, G, and B, like that. And then we go back to the same section again. So that's how you do the chords in the left hand, and this is what it sounds like when you put it all together.